Hey everybody, this is Mrs. Hassler from the high school. I want to take you on a quick tour of my room and show you all the really cool stuff I have for my students. I have beanbag chairs, I have a couch, fun places to sit. You'll notice on every desk they have a notebook and a pen. It's called a Rocket Book. It's amazing. It's a reusable notebook that they use, upload their notes into their Google Drive, then wipe it clean for the next period to come in and use. I also have stand-up desks. I have added calculators to my supply, and I have some really cool words on my word wall. If you would like to see this kind of stuff in your classroom, I have a great resource for you to use so that you don't have to pay for it yourself. Follow me. All right, before we get started, a huge shout out to Miss Stevenson here at the high school. She's the one that turned me on to this. It's called donorschoose.org, and it's a crowdfunding site for teachers. You may have seen it a lot in the news lately, but it is an amazing charity that puts people who want to donate to your classroom together with the teachers who need things for their classrooms. So all you have to do is go to donorschoose.org and create an account. I've already created an account, so I'm just going to sign in. All right, once I sign in, I can manage my projects or create a new project. Since none of you guys have projects already out there, let's create a new one so you can see the process. The first thing you determine, is it standard or is it professional development? They'll even fund professional development if there's a conference you want to go to that the school's not willing to pay for. Let's go. The first thing you do is tell them about your students. What age group do you teach? Approximately how many students are going to benefit from the project, and a brief description of your students. Nothing too personal, just a general overview. They want an idea of the types of students you teach. You can include a classroom photo. Make sure you have permissions from all the parents first. Check with your office. Then you continue. Now comes the fun part. We shop. Donors Choose has contracts with all these different companies to purchase things maybe at a discounted rate. So you do have to shop through Donors Choose. They have all these places like Amazon, Best Buy, all the educational supply places, anything you want to do. Lego Education, NASCO, School Specialty, Teacher School Supply, Staples. All these great places that you can shop for whatever you want. If you don't see what you need, you can create a special request and they will approve it or not approve it depending on whether they feel it's something you should have. So let's just start with Lego Education. Here you find whatever it is you want to have for your classroom. You click on it, you add it to your cart, and then you view your cart, and you submit the cart to Donors Choose. Once you've done that, they'll ask you for a little one-sentence catch on what you're getting for your classroom. So help me give my students hands-on fun with Lego Mindstorm for fun activities. There's a word limit. Save. Now you're going to do a project title. You want to come up with something real catchy, something that's going to grab a donor's attention, and then you write a 100-word summary about what you're going to do with this project, how you're going to use what they're funding in your classroom. Once you've done that, pick your subject area, and you submit it to Donors Choose. They'll review your project, and when it's approved, you are good to go to get funding. You can share your project on Facebook, Twitter, email, however you want to get it out there for people to see. There are also many companies who are willing to fund things for schools. I personally put my couch in first, and I had a test prep company pick up the project and pay for the entire thing, as well as make that donation a monthly donation. So if you get lucky enough to get one of those companies, you may have money coming in every month to use for Donors Choose. Not just for you, but you could also spread that wealth to your fellow teachers when they put projects in. So let's make our school great without having to spend a whole lot of our personal money, and go Chargers!